Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to bake bread. We are going to learn how to bake bread and also try baking bread with a microwave. Yes, and we'll be unboxing a surprise gift I received from somebody. So yeah, let's get right into it. So we have my
Sure.
blade. No. Do you want
This is the baking powder.
yeah. This is the napkin.
You have grater.
Yes. I can't find the yeast. On my phone.
You also have this. Do it small before you pass on my eyes.
So the sugar has to melt, right?
Oh, you can just put it inside, but I just want to.
Yeah.
Looks like the salt is strong. Oh, this one there is not strong, the sugar.
Yeah, that's why people use brown sugar. It's so strong.
I finished the sugar in 3 days.
Oh, I have another.
Have you found the yeast?
Huh?
The yeast, have you found it?
No, I'm looking for.
Oh, there will not be any rice in your.
So this is.
And there's-
I didn't
Even
know
one bag, right?
there was
You will not use all of this.
there was no quantity
How
to
much was
measure. I think 5 cedis or so.
You don't die. This is your grater. Your grater. Okay.
Want to use the process too? I don't really like this.
Please, if you can grate this one.
Wash it.
That is too much.
So where am I grading it in?
What? Grate it on it.
Okay.
That's how it says.
So can the powdered one to do?
This one.
Yeah.
I've never used that one before. I'm just selling something. It's rare to see bread sellers
Using the powdered one.
Yeah.
That's why I bought this one. Hey, the thing is strong. Like, it's very hard.
Is it this one that doesn't make it fast? Don't mind my processing. This my process. I guess we'll have to add the salt first.
So what time will we add these?
That one, you see, it is you that you are doing it. You decide when to add it. There is like sometimes some people add it to the water. You just pour it inside. Sometimes when you are doing it, when you start everything, you can actually mix everything all together before you start. That one is your own decision.
But sometimes you feel like if you don't do
A lot of yeast.
Yeah.
This one that I'm not even going home. I won't go. I've signed up for some stupid internship. I'll still do Kumasi till next year.
Hey.
I didn't know. Our lecturer, we were following. He made us join it. But now the internship is like. Too much flavor will make it bitter.
I tried making pancake. I didn't know the difference between, so I kept playing of this one. Hey. It was not nice. Look at the 2 weeks bread though, the way it's big. So can we use this surface for the kneading?
I think it's flat.
Yeah.
Actually, me the kneading, I've never done some before because it's actually
Machine. So how would you know that it's done when you are kneading? How would you know that it's okay?
It will be fresh. It will look fresh, very fresh.
Okay, let me do the kneading. You can use 2 hands, right?
Yeah, or you can use
It feels nice though.
Oh, it's nice because that's your first day. If you are used to it, it won't be nice. Like every day you are waking up to do this thing.
So it's like everything will be together. It will be like
So fresh. We'll never do this.
damn.
Oh, let me go. You don't have support. But this place is nice. So the hostels here are very nice. How come these hostels don't come in front and they are at the back? Maybe I don't go to class early. I cannot afford to come here. I could just use the pass on it. I don't do like this. Like, so that one is.
If you are still watching to this point, I want to use this opportunity to tell you that I'm very grateful. Thank you very much for watching this far. And if you are new here, you can check on the channel's description and read it out. If it looks like something you might be interested in, then you know what to do. Yeah, thank you.
It's okay. I think this one is. So maybe if it was something like, if you want it like the way they've been doing this style sound, just
Mm.
this one, the wood is really sweet.
Mm.
Just push it.
It's big, so it's
To fit. We will do it too. Okay.
so that's.
Then maybe if you want round, let's try that.
The round one, the one they use for burgers.
Like this.
Mm. Oh my god. The bread is rising inside that thing. I can see that it's rising. Like, can you see? Have you seen? Have you seen? Okay, so while the bread is baking or microwaving, let's get into the next part. That is this gift. Okay, so I received a call from a person claiming to be a rider, asking for my location and all of that. And I was like, "What? Are you for real?" Initially, I thought the person was a scammer or something, but the person kept calling and all that. So I said, "Okay, fine." I showed the person my location, and then he brought me this gift. My number was on it, so I just received it. Like, I was like, yeah, then that means the gift is really mine. You get. Mhm. So that's how it came. And yeah, I didn't know that's the gift. That's the gift. And I didn't know, like, when I collected it at first, I didn't know that it was this kind of gift. It was a surprise too. I didn't know it was this kind of gift. So I was like, so what's in this box that is so like light in weight, but big box like that? So I was shaking it like this. You get before I opened the box, I was shaking it like this. You get. uh So that's why I destroyed the last letter. But we all know what it is. So yeah, this was the gift. I received a surprise package from a very handsome somebody. And yeah, we got the message.